Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Mo. Welcome back. It is Wednesday, May 28th. Yeah, May 28th, man. Let's go. We have PM session, so I didn't get up and trade this morning because if we do look at the charts, if we do look at Forex Factory, we do have FOMC meeting minutes. Usually, when we have FOMC minutes, the morning is ass too, and I just don't want to trade. Whenever we have like major news in the PM, mainly like just like FOMC and stuff. I usually don't trade in the morning, so yeah, that's why I didn't get up and trade this morning. But obviously, we are here for the PM session. I do have to work in at 12, so I can only be on the charts for like 45 minutes and stuff. But we'll see if a setup forms. Like I said, yeah, that's coming out in 15 minutes, FOMC minutes. So we'll see what happens. But let's do some top down analysis. So obviously, we're still here. We on that weekly. We have that weekly for value gap. I just don't know. Obviously, I just marked it up. I don't know if we want to go like fill it and stuff right now, but yeah, I did say the draw liquidity's here, and we did like kind of reach there. So yeah, let's go on the 4 hour and stuff. You see, honestly, I didn't even look at this morning's session, so but we can do that after. So you see, obviously, we're just respecting bullish PD raise. We filled this 4 hour and went up, and then we filled this 4 hour, we're kind of going up. But you see here, we did just take out these equal highs. We kind of did just create more equal highs, though. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we kind of created just more equal highs. But so I'd maybe want to see if price like wants to like soup this low and just fill this more. So I'll mark up this 4 hour. So we got that sell side in this 4 hour gap. We could definitely look for a buy model in there if we do end up coming down. You see, we did just end up inversing though this 1 hour. So yeah, I'd maybe want to see. Do we have this 1 hour down here we have to fill? So yeah, like I said, I just want to see what happens. Let's go over this morning though. This is why I don't trade whenever we have big impact news in the PM. This is why I usually don't trade in the morning, because we get this. Obviously, we did kind of have a nice model here, but we never even got that fill anyway. Let me go in like maybe 30-second or something. This would have been nice, but that's before 9:50 anyway. Then we had this one. Maybe this one would have been too bad, but then you would have just been AIDS being in this shit. Yeah. So yeah, no, this morning was ass. Yeah, the 15-minute we just been generating. So we might just consolidate this PM, but I would maybe like to see if we wanted to come up and fill this, because if we do look, right, this is a textbook setup on the 5-minute. We had taken on that buy side, right, displacement down through this, just change it to state, fair value gap, and we haven't came down and filled it. So if we measure the fib too, honestly, I do want to see some manipulation higher, and then we get that sell model down, and then I'd be aiming for this liquidity here. So that's definitely what I'm looking for today, for this PM. This whole month for price action has been terrible. Like all of May, bro. There's been only a hand. Like I can count on my hands how many days there's been like textbook setups. There's been good price action. Like I feel like dude, it's been so weird. 5-minute. Like I said, this is just a textbook sell model on the 5-minute. Dude, I just don't know. Obviously, if I want to, and then we're generating good sell side, like great sell side. I don't know if I want to set a limit order here. Shit. What do y'all think? What y'all think about me setting a limit order for a sell and just leaving it? I think I'm gonna set this limit order, y'all. Yeah, it's a really good risk reward. I think I like this buy, y'all. I mean, not this buy, sorry, y'all. This sell. I think I'm just gonna leave this be. If it hits, it hits. Like I said on this. So this is why I'm setting this limit order, and I'm gonna get off the charts. We're in this 1 hour bearish for value gap right here. We did already inverse this. Like I said, we took liquidity, we kind of displaced down. 5-minute, look, this is literally a textbook setup on the 5-minute. Liquidity displaced through this, change it to state. We're tracing up to premium of this range. Generated amazing sell side. So yeah, that's why. Yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna get off the charts because I gotta go to work. I gotta get something to eat and shit before work, but this is what I'm gonna do right here. This is exactly what I'm gonna do right here. We got everything. That's my limit order, TP, and SL. Alright, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna get off this bitch though. I gotta go to work. I'm gonna get something to eat and shit. Quick close session, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that trade though. definitely tomorrow. We're gonna be on tomorrow morning for real, for real. We have no news in the PM, no nothing. Like I'm on tomorrow morning, so yeah, I'll show you tomorrow morning. And yeah, sorry for just like, not even that much, just a very quick session. Yeah, but I'll see you tomorrow. Let's hope that trade hits. If it don't, shit, it is what it is. Good risk reward anyway. So, all right, y'all. See you tomorrow. Let's do it.